মাধ্যমিক এবিটিএ টেস্ট পেপার পেজ 162 ইংরাজির প্রশ্ন উত্তরগুলো দেখে নাও। প্রথমে সিন, দ্য অথরেস ওয়াজ হ্যাভিং টি, লেখিকা চা পান করেছিলেন কোথায়? অ্যাট হোম, বাড়িতে। দ্য রাইটার ওয়াজ কল টু বিড়লা হাউস বাই, লেখককে বিড়লা হাউসে ডাকা হয়েছিল এ টেলিফোন কল, ফোনের মাধ্যমে। দ্য ন্যারেটর ওয়েন্ট টু বিড়লা হাউস বাই, লেখক বিড়লা হাউসে গিয়েছিলেন কিসে? মোটর কার। গান্ধীজিস রিলেটিভস অ্যান্ড ফলোয়ার্স অ্যাসেম্বলড অ্যাট, গান্ধীজির আত্মীয়রা জড়ো হয়েছিল কোথায়? বিড়লা হাউসে। ইন দ্য বিগিনিং পিপল, শুরুতে লোকেরা ছিল রিমেইন সাইলেন্ট। গান্ধীজি হ্যাড বিন শট অন হিজ ওয়ে, গান্ধীজিকে গুলি করা হয়েছিল ওয়ে টু এ প্রেয়ার মিটিং, প্রার্থনা সভায় যাওয়ার সময়। আউট অফ এভরি উইন্ডো ওয়ান কুড সি, প্রত্যেক জানলা দিয়ে দেখা যাচ্ছিল ব্রাউন ব্লার অফ ফেসেস। পিপল জসেলড টু ওয়ান অ্যানাদার ইন এ স্ট্যাম্পেড টু ব্রেক ইন টু দ্য হাউস। হোয়ার অ্যান্ড হাউ ডিড গান্ধীজি ডাই, গান্ধীজি ডাইড অন হিজ ওয়ে টু এ প্রেয়ার মিটিং অ্যান্ড হি ওয়াজ শুট। How did Gandhiji people react to Bapu's death? People were too shocked to talk at big first. They did not make a sound, and there was an unnatural silence. Later, they clamored wildly, shouting and crying. They jostled one another in a stampede to break into the house. The color of the sail would be white. During the sea voyage, the poet wants to hear the crying of a seagull. In the poem, the sea is described as lonely. The call of the running tide was wild and clear. What does the poet seek from his fellow rover? The poet seeks from his fellow rover a merry yarn, a quiet sleep, and a sweet dream when the long trick's over. What may not be denied? The author cannot deny the call of a running tide is a wild call and a clear call to go down to the sea again. Unseen. Sporadic rain are likely to occur in Kolkata and southern district. The highest temperature is likely to touch 40 degrees Celsius. Light rain will occur with thunder. The place that registered highest temperature is the thunder at Panagarh. Shantiniketan will experience the temperature of 37 degree. Orange alert has been issued for some district in North Bengal. True, false? IMD examines weather and makes forecast. True, although the Indian Meteorological Department has forecasted sporadic rain over Kolkata and southern district of West Bengal. Temperature is likely to rise in the second week of April. False, the highest temperature in the western district of Purulia, Bankura, West Midnapur and West Bardhaman is likely to touch 40 degree in the first week of April. The orange alert is likely to last until Monday. True hobe, the alert is expected to last until Monday. What did IMD forecast for Gangetic Bengal? According to IMD forecast for Gangetic Bengal, there will be gradual rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degree during the next 48 hours, and there will be no major change after that for the next day. Where will light rain will thunder occur? Light rain with thunder occurs in Kolkata and one or two places in North Chobbish Pargana, South Chobbish Pargana, East Midnapur, Howrah, Hooghly, Purulia, Jhargram, West Midnapur district. For which district has orange alert has been issued? Orange alert has been issued in Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri, Kalimpong district. What kind of passage is this? The paragraph is a descriptive passage that is an article in a newspaper for weather reporting. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন, গ্রামার। Sue Thomas is a fashion designer. She has been making clothes ever since she was a young girl. পরেরটা, the gypsies hawked about small articles and sold them in fair. They attracted many people by their magic shows. Once people thought that they stole children to train them in their way of life. Narration change. Father said to Swami, lope about less on Sundays. Father advised Swami to lope about less on Sundays. We made plenty of kites. Voice change. Plenty of kites had been made by us. Comparative degree. The dog is the most faithful of all animals. The dog is more faithful than any other animals. Present verb. Searching হবে looking for, examining হবে looking into, visit হচ্ছে call on. এরপরে দেখো একই মানে, to predict something for future, forecast. Progressively or by degrees, gradual rise. Formal recording of events, registered. Blowing violently হবে gusty wind.